If you want to see how I change from this to that, keep watching, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen. Today I'm going to be showing you basically how to do your concealer before your foundation and the rest of your makeup. But first, I want to do my eye makeup first. I'm going to show you a very simple eye look. It's a two-color eyeshadow look, just with shimmers and without shimmers. I'm going to be using the shimmers I got from Shein. It's from SHEGKAM. It's a little glow box like that. But first, I'm using a transition shade which is brown from my Morphe palette. I'm just going to create that section right there, drag it all the way up towards my eyebrow bone, and then I'll cut my crease. It's just a simple cut crease, not anything complicated, just to clean up the rest of the look, that's why. So if you watch gently, I'm sure you will follow up and you'll understand. Just follow up. So if this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for dropping by. My name is Queen, like I said earlier, and I do makeup. I'm also a braider. I post hair videos, I post makeup videos, and sometimes what I cook. And I'm also running a giveaway this week for you guys. If you watch my previous video, the video before this one, which I'm going to link somewhere in the description box, you will see the details that helps you to qualify for the giveaway, and make sure you watch that and participate. The giveaway is sponsored by Imethod Beauty. They're going to be sending me some of their products to be able to send to 3 amazing people. So yeah guys, make sure you participate so you don't lose out. They have like eyebrow products, they have like eyeliner products, they have lip products, so they're really good. So just make sure you don't miss out, okay? And after applying the shimmers, I also went back in a dark, it's black but not, it's a matte black shade. I just used to shade the outer portion of my crease to create more definition. And then I'm going in with the white concealer from NYX Cosmetics. It's a corrector. I'm just going to apply that in the portions I normally apply my concealer, the T-zone areas of my face, and then I go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan to further dim the white before I go on top of it with my foundation. I like this this procedure. This is my first time. It's been going on for a while on TikTok and so on, but I've never tried it before, and it seems like I use a lot of products, but it's not a problem. It only shows very full coverage and takes you a longer time to blend, but when you blend correctly, everything looks far and okay. So the only thing I have with this, I usually don't like to use so much products on my face. My only problem is I had to use a lot of products to cover up the concealer. So if you're one who like to cover maybe acne scars or something, this might work for you because the concealer covers everything you want to hide. Yeah, I don't really bother about hiding anything. Because I really don't have so much, praise God. So yeah, I'm just blending that. The brush wasn't doing it for me, so I have to go in with my Real Technique sponge to blend that. Then I'm contouring, also using this dark shade from NYX Cosmetics. Just apply it around my forehead, my cheek, below my cheekbones, and to contour my nose. So to set that, I went in with the KB Cosmetics powder palette to set the contoured portions of my face, and then I used the Revolution Banana Dip powder to set the highlighted portions of my face. So I also used the blush, which I used first, a pink lipstick, a lip shade Ionic. I think I got that from the dollar store or something. Then I used on top of it the pink pot from Wet n Wild that I always use. It's a red shade, so I just used that on top. Then I went in with the Essence blush. It's called the Blush from the brand Essence, to set the blush on my face as I set the other areas, and then allowed to properly, you know, set together before I started to do my lips. So for this video I did two different lip shades. One was caught on camera, the other ones were only found in the pictures. One was more of a pinkish shade, the other one had more of like a maroon and a little pink in the middle. So I really don't know. And then for my brows, I didn't leave like the detailed video of my brows here. I'm going to leave it on my Instagram, so you can go and check that out, and on my TikTok. I'll make sure to leave that there later today, so you can go check it out. Yeah, and I also left the video of how to take off your makeup using the organic Kopari organic coconut milk. You can also check that out too. So this is the finished look. I was trying to create a transition, that's why you see me doing that. So yeah, I hope you like this look and I hope this helped. So if it helped you, make sure to leave a comment and a like for me. Thank you. See you again. And this is the second lip color. You see it's more pink, and just line my lips using the brown. So yeah, that's it.